Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be making a 3D pyramid or maybe a geometry pyramid, whatever it is. But first, so here are the supplies you need: 4 gumdrops and 6 toothpicks. So pause the video if you need to get those items real quick. If you don't have them, if you want to, you can just go to the shop and buy those. Okay, so first you need to put a gumdrop right wherever you want. Second, you need to poke a toothpick in it, or just put it in. And you also need to put it on this side. And now you need to put this right here. So now it just feels like it's almost like a triangle, but it's not. Oh wait, this actually requires 5 gumdrops. So you need to put this right here, and now it just almost looks like a triangle. Okay, this is almost looks like a triangle, and then you need to put this last one, and you perfectly get a triangle. It's okay if you put the gumdrops in a wrong way. All you just have to do is just think about the weight. And now we use 3 of the toothpicks. And then now you see 3 toothpicks are connecting to 1 gumdrop, and so you have to like put the toothpick, like tilt it, and then you put the gumdrop here. But that doesn't really end because you just see it's supporting, but still it's not. So all you gotta do is just put this right here and put this, and still you can see it's supporting because my gumdrops are really hard and sticky. And now you need to put this last one in right here, and bam, this is your 3D pyramid. How strong it is. So if you see I'm pressing it, it's still strong, but just press it a little bit harder until you see it collapsed. I mean, yes, you can rebuild this again. If you don't know how to make this again, then rewatch the video. And also make sure to like and subscribe for this build, and I'm gonna be doing more builds like this one. Next episode maybe we'll do a pentagon one, I don't know, or like next episode we can maybe do a cube one, I don't know. But see ya later guys, peace.